7 ways to restore a dead relationship. 7 ways to restore a dead relationship. There are so many people teaching about how to, how you should not make mistake in marriage, but there are people that have already made mistake in choosing their partner before, seeing all these videos. So what can they do? So this video is for you. If you have made mistake in your relationship, in choosing your partner, and you are seeing yourself as if you are in a wrong relationship, this is for you. Number one thing to do to restore that relationship is engage back in communication. Engage in communication. Communication is the number one key in marriage or in any relationship. You can communicate with your partner often. It's very, very important. Okay, any relationship that lack communication is a dead relationship. So for that reason, engage in communication more oftenly. Okay, number two thing is sit down and think. Figure out where all these problems are coming from. You know, Sometimes it might be your character, it might be your words, your words, it might be your reactions, So all these things are the things that kill relationship. So sit down and think on what actually happened, how all these problems started. Okay, so the little you can remember, please. Number three thing to do after sitting down, and thinking and figuring out. Number three thing to do is to apologize. Apologize to your partner. So many men don't know how to say sorry. So many people, they are saying sorry as if they are weak. No, saying sorry doesn't mean that you are weak. Sorry, in fact, is very small but very powerful. Apologize to your partner. Apologize. You have offended him. You have offended her. Apologize. It's very, very important. Number four thing to do is, accepting your fault. Accepting your fault. Some people don't accept their fault. They don't acknowledge their fault. They keep on blaming their partner. Please, for once, accept your fault. Acknowledge your fault. Okay? When you are apologizing, acknowledge your fault. All right? It's very, very important. Another thing is taking a break. Taking a break and work on yourself. So many people think that, taking a break is like killing the relationship. No. Sometimes when you take a break, you take yourself out of sex, out of emotional things, try to work on yourself. Work on the things you do, work on your actions, work on your ways, try to work on yourself to become a better partner, become a better person to your partner. Work on yourself is very, very important. All right, it's very, very important. Work on yourself is very, very important. Another thing you should do is go out for a date. It's very, very important. When you want to make peace in home, so many things have happened. Take that woman out of that environment. Take her out for a date. Okay? Take her for a date. Cuddle her. Give her assurance. So many women are seeing their husband as if this is not the man I married. Or so many men are seeing their wife as if this is not the woman I married. I bet you, when you go out with her on a date, you guys will realize that both of you are good to each other. But the problem is that you guys don't understand yourself before getting married. Okay, so take her for a date. Cuddle her, tell her sweet things. It's very, very important. The last but not the least is plan your future together. Plan your future together. Stop planning alone. If you're a man, stop planning alone. Sometimes why your wife is tired of you is because she's not seeing herself in your future. She's not seeing herself in your plans. You are planning without her opinion. You are planning without a proper agreement with her. Agree on one thing. Plan your future together. Plan the future of your children together. Plan the future of your marriage together. Okay? Thank you and God bless you. I remain your sister, the real Esther Gineka, teaching out of experience. Keep on following my page. Bye. Love you.